Hi everyone, this is teacher Sandra. So in this video, we will be doing guess and check. Let's read the question. There are a total of 11 cows and ducks in the farm. These animals have a total of 36 legs. How many cows are there? So when we do guess and check, we will draw a table. We need 6 columns. Okay. So what do we write for the header? Let's look at the first column. I am going to write number of cows. Second column, find out the number of legs that belongs to the cows. Next, number of ducks. Then we need to find out the number of legs that belongs to those ducks. And another column that adds up the total number of legs. And the last one will be to check. So since the total would be 11 animals, let's split them into half. 11 is not divisible by 2, but it's 5 and 6. So let me guess that there are 5 cows. So there are 5 cows, 1 cow, 4 legs, right? So how many legs would belong to those cows? 5 cows times 4, total of 20 legs. Next, if there are 5 cows, how many ducks would there be? There are total 11 animals. If there are 5 cows, means the number of ducks would be 11 minus 5. So there will be 6 ducks. Now let's find the total number of legs that belongs to those ducks. Ducks have 2 legs. So 6 ducks times 2 legs each, they will have a total of 12 legs. Okay, next one, we need to find the total legs. Total legs means we need to add the cow legs and the duck legs together. And over here we have 20 cow legs and 12 duck legs. So if we add them all together, they have a total of 32 legs. Now let's check if this is correct. Let's look at the question again. They want 36 legs. And we have found a total of 32 legs. So that's not what the question wants. This is wrong. Now we don't have enough legs, right? We want 36, we only have 32. So we need more legs, which means we need to increase the animals that has more legs, right? So that we get more legs. So let's guess that there are 6 cows. Okay, so if there are 6 cows, same thing, let's find the cow legs. So 6 times 4, we get 24. So 24 cow legs. So if there are 6 cows, means how many ducks would there be? Total animals 11, right? So 11 minus 6, we get 5 ducks. So if there are 5 ducks, how many duck legs would there be? 5 times 2, which is 10 duck legs. Next, find the total legs again. In this case, 24 cow legs plus 10 duck legs. We get a total of 34 legs. Let's check the question again, shall we? We need a total of 36 legs. We have found 34 legs. So it's not correct still. We are still short of legs, which means we still need to increase the animal that has more legs, which means that's the cow. So I need to go up for the cows again. Let's go up to 7. Okay, so if there are 7 cows, again, cow legs. 7 times 4, we get 28 legs. So 28 cow legs here. So there are 7 cows. How many ducks would there be? 11 animals minus 7 cows, we will get 4 ducks. So if we have 4 ducks, means how many legs would there be for the ducks? 4 times 2. So total are 8 duck legs. Next column to fill up would be the total legs again. 28 cow legs. Let's add with the 8 duck legs. Total legs we will have would be 28 plus 8, which is 36. So the question wants us to find 36 legs, and we have found 36 legs. So this is correct. So we put a tick. Now our table is done. We can answer the question now. So what does the question want us to find? How many cows are there? So let's look for the number of cows. So much information. Where's the cows? There we go. So we know that there are 7 cows. So that's the answer. There are 7 cows. That's the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next.